What if I told you there's a motorhome so luxurious? It might actually be better than living in a house. Today, we're taking a full tour of one of the most incredible luxury motorhomes you'll ever see. From its massive double-decker style design to a stunning interior that looks like a 5-star penthouse on wheels, this machine completely redefines what mobile living can be. Welcome back to the Wheelora. And today you're about to see a motorhome that turns the idea of road trip into something truly extraordinary. At first glance, this motorhome already makes a huge statement. The exterior design is massive, sleek, and incredibly premium. Its long, extended body and triple-axle setup immediately tell you that this is not a typical RV. This is something built for luxury travel on a completely different level. The tall upper section gives it a double-deck appearance, suggesting that there are multiple living levels inside. The glossy dark finish combined with elegant silver lines running along the side creates a modern and sophisticated look. It almost feels like a luxury tour coach mixed with a high-end yacht. Large panoramic windows stretch across both levels, allowing plenty of natural light to enter the cabin. These windows also suggest that the people inside can enjoy incredible views while traveling or parked in scenic locations. The front design is smooth and aerodynamic, with integrated LED headlights and a bold grille. From the front, the motorhome looks powerful and futuristic, almost like a luxury touring bus designed for VIP transport. Massive side mirrors extend outward for better visibility, which is essential when driving something of this size. And with 3 axles supporting the chassis, it's clear that this motorhome is designed to carry serious weight and provide maximum stability on the road. From above, the roof appears to include multiple skylights or ventilation panels, which likely bring additional light into the interior, while also supporting climate control and ventilation. But as impressive as the outside looks, the real magic begins once we step inside. The driver's cockpit immediately gives you the feeling that you're sitting inside a high-tech command center. The dashboard is filled with multiple large digital displays, navigation systems, and control panels that manage everything from vehicle settings to onboard living systems. The steering wheel design looks premium and ergonomic, and the surrounding materials appear to be finished in soft leather and high-quality trim. It's clear that this motorhome was built to offer both comfort and control for long journeys. The wide windshield provides incredible forward visibility, which is essential for a vehicle of this size. And with large side windows, the driver and passenger can enjoy panoramic views while traveling across highways or scenic landscape. The living area is absolutely stunning. Warm lighting flows throughout the interior, highlighting elegant wood accents and soft, modern materials. A large, comfortable sofa sits across from a beautiful entertainment wall with a large, flat-screen television. The layout feels open, spacious, and carefully designed to maximize comfort. Soft ambient lighting runs along the floor edges, ceiling panels, and furniture lines, creating a relaxing atmosphere that feels closer to a luxury hotel than an RV. A staircase leads to an upper level, suggesting that this motorhome has a second floor or loft area for additional living space. This design alone makes the vehicle feel dramatically larger than traditional motorhomes. And then we arrive at the kitchen. The kitchen area is surprisingly modern and minimalist. Glossy white cabinets reflect the light, making the space feel bright and clean. A long countertop stretches across the side, providing plenty of room for food preparation. It appears that the kitchen includes a built-in induction cooktop, a large sink with a modern faucet, and integrated appliances such as an oven and possibly a microwave. The cabinetry looks sleek and seamless, hiding storage compartments that likely hold cookware, dishes, and pantry items. A full-size refrigerator appears to be built into the wall, suggesting that this motorhome is designed for extended travel without needing constant resupply. Even the lighting in the kitchen feels luxurious, with subtle LED strips running under the cabinets and along the floor. Moving further inside, we reach one of the most impressive parts of the motorhome, the bathroom. And this is where the better-than-a-house claim really starts to make sense. The bathroom design looks incredibly modern and spacious for a motorhome. A large mirror with integrated LED lighting stretches across the wall above a double vanity sink. The countertops appear to be made from marble or a marble-style finish, adding a premium feel. There is also a glass-enclosed shower with sleek fixtures, giving the bathroom the same quality you'd expect in a high-end apartment. Clean white walls, soft lighting, and elegant wood cabinetry create a spa-like atmosphere. It's hard to believe that this entire bathroom exists inside a moving vehicle. Next, we arrive at the bedroom area. The bedroom looks incredibly comfortable and beautifully designed. A large king-size bed sits in the center, surrounded by warm lighting and modern cabinetry. The bed frame itself features soft underlighting, which adds a stylish floating effect. Large windows beside the bed allow you to wake up to incredible views, whether you're parked near mountains, beaches, or city skylines. A vanity area with a mirror and seating space provides a place to get ready in the morning, while surrounding wardrobes and cabinets likely provide plenty of storage for clothing and personal items. And if that wasn't enough, there appears to be another bedroom area inside this motorhome. This second bedroom features darker wood finishes, creating a more intimate and cozy atmosphere. A large bed sits beside a panoramic window, offering stunning nighttime views of city lights or starry skies. This suggests that the motorhome could comfortably sleep multiple people, making it ideal for families or luxury travel with guests. Now, when it comes to performance, exact specifications are not confirmed here, but a motorhome of this size would most likely be powered by a heavy-duty diesel engine designed for long-distance travel. It is likely equipped with advanced suspension systems, air ride technology, and powerful braking systems to handle its massive weight while maintaining comfort and stability. Luxury motorhomes like this are typically built on specialized heavy-duty chassis platforms designed specifically for high-end recreational vehicles. Technology is also likely a major part of this vehicle. With so many digital displays visible in the cockpit, it appears that the motorhome includes advanced navigation, camera systems, and vehicle monitoring tools. Inside the living area, it's very possible that smart home technology is integrated throughout the vehicle. Lighting, climate control, entertainment systems, and window shades may all be controlled through touch panels or mobile apps. Safety features would also be extremely important for a vehicle this large. It likely includes multiple camera systems, parking sensors, stability control systems, and advanced driver assistance technologies designed to make driving safer and easier. Now let's talk about the big question: price. Luxury motorhomes like this are not cheap. Based on the design, size, and level of interior luxury, it would not be surprising if a vehicle like this costs anywhere from $1 million to $3 million. Yes, that's the price of a mansion in some places. But for those who want the freedom to travel anywhere while living in complete luxury, vehicles like this offer something no house can provide: mobility without sacrificing comfort. Of course, buying a motorhome like this also comes with considerations. Driving something this large requires skill and experience. Parking space, maintenance, and fuel costs are all significant factors. But for luxury travelers, entrepreneurs, or people who want to explore the world while bringing their home with them, this kind of motorhome can be the ultimate lifestyle machine. And when you look at everything it offers, the spacious living areas, the modern kitchen, the luxury bathroom, multiple bedrooms, and high-tech cockpit, it's easy to understand why some people might prefer this over a traditional house. Because at the end of the day, this isn't just a motorhome. It's a luxury penthouse on wheels, a moving 5-star hotel, and possibly one of the most impressive homes you can take anywhere in the world. So the real question is, if you had the chance, would you live in a motorhome like this? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this full luxury tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us again for more incredible vehicles here on the Wheelora.